Today, we're exploring the journey of Winona Ryder, an iconic actress of the 80s and 90s known for roles in films like Beetlejuice, Heathers, and Girl, Interrupted. After a highly publicized shoplifting incident in the early 2000s that halted her career, she made a phenomenal comeback. So, where is Winona Ryder now? Let's find out. Winona Ryder, born in 1971, became a Hollywood staple known for her quirky, edgy roles and Generation X appeal. In December 2001, she was arrested for shoplifting over $5,500 worth of designer merchandise from Saks Fifth Avenue in Beverly Hills. The incident became a media sensation and led to her conviction for grand theft and vandalism. The stress and scrutiny led her to take a deliberate, extensive break from acting, moving to San Francisco and staying largely out of the spotlight for several years. Ryder carefully re-entered the acting world with smaller roles in acclaimed films like Star Trek 2009 and Black Swan 2010. But her major comeback came in 2016 when she was cast as Joyce Byers, the resilient single mother in the Netflix hit series Stranger Things. The show was a cultural phenomenon and reintroduced her to a new generation of fans, earning her Golden Globe and Screen Actors Guild nominations and cementing her return to leading lady status. Where is Winona Ryder now? As of now, Winona Ryder continues to be a prominent actress. She has been busy working on the final season of Stranger Things, which is set to air in 2026. She is also slated to reprise her iconic role as Lydia Dietz in the much-anticipated sequel Beetlejuice, which has generated significant buzz. In her personal life, Ryder is private and has been in a long-term relationship with fashion designer Scott McInlay since 2011. She has largely put her past troubles behind her and is enjoying a career resurgence, often reflecting on her hiatus as a healthy decision that allowed her to find balance. Winona Ryder has transformed from a troubled star who disappeared from the public eye into a critically acclaimed working actress who successfully navigated one of Hollywood's greatest comebacks. Her story is a powerful example of resilience, second chances, and the enduring power of talent. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on iconic stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.